Hey guys, so in today's video I'm showing you how I use the Huda Beauty highlighter in my makeup routine. I applied it to my face and on my body, so you can see that really pretty glow that I have is from this highlighter. This is an all over face and body highlighter, so it's meant to be applied underneath your makeup, on your body. There are 3 shades that come with this highlighter. The shade that I'm wearing today is Luna. It has a little bit of that rose gold and silver shimmer that is perfect for light skin tones. The second shade is Aphrodite, which has a lot of golden bronzy tones with it, and I think that would be perfect for summer. The third shade is Aurora, which has like a really pretty coppery finish, and I feel like that would be really pretty on those of you who have dark skin tones. So I've been wearing this underneath my makeup on my face. I'm wearing it right now, and then all over my body, on my collarbone, on my shoulders, and I feel like it just gives you this really pretty hydrated, healthy glow. This is priced at $49. I didn't pay that because I got it during the VIB sale. I feel like there's a lot of confusion as to how you're supposed to wear it, so I'm just sharing with you how I have been wearing it and how it's been working for me. As far as this color is concerned, I haven't really seen a problem with it getting all over my clothes or anything, but it does stay all day. One thing that I've noticed as far as wearing this a lot is that you have to blend it out really fast. This is a water-based formula, so it's really nice to blend out, but you have to do it quickly, otherwise it will dry down and it'll get really metallic and it'll get a little bit patchy. So the best way that I found to apply this highlight so far, as far as I've been using it, has been by using this Real Techniques Kabuki brush. They do make a brush that is specifically made for this highlighter, but I just like using this brush. It is half the price of the Huda Beauty one, and I feel like it works really well. Sometimes I will get a couple hairs that'll fall out of this if I'm a little bit rough with it, but it's just worked really well with applying on my shoulders, my collarbone. I'll even use this on my face, and I can get a really quick blended application on my face. But in this video, I'm basically just showing you how I got this look and how I apply the highlight. Also, I matched my nails to my shirt. I just have to say this. I've been wearing the KL Polish Casino Night, and I love this nail polish. This is the first time I've worn this nail polish, and it is literally perfect for this look. Anyway, just had to say that. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos, and let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you how I use this highlighter. So I already prepped my skin by using the Origins moisturizer, so I'm going to go ahead and go right into putting this highlighter on my face. If you put too much of this on, it's going to get really metallic very fast. So I just like to do one dot at a time and blend it out. So yeah, it looks really scary when you're actually applying it, but once you get it all blended out and everything and you get your makeup on top of it, it's gonna look so good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Makiage foundation. This is a very lightweight foundation, so I feel like it just blends right in with this whole look. I don't want a heavy foundation to cover up the really pretty glow that I have. So I'm actually gonna go in with my sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup really quick, and then I'm gonna be putting this highlight all over my body so that you can see the major difference. I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star concealer because I can't stop using this. It's so good. Next, I'm going to set my foundation by using my Peach Perfect setting powder. I have been loving this. I knew I'd like it. I knew I would. If you don't know, I just purchased this in the VIB sale and I love it. Something that I've been doing recently has been contouring with this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I got a really dark shade. Cream contour just stays longer on me, but then I go on top of it with my butter bronzer, and it is the best combo ever. And then I'm going to go in with this blush right here. And then I'm going to go in with this Artist Couture highlight. I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick. I'm going to do it very lightly. I don't want to go intense with my eyebrows today because the focus is the highlight. All right, recently I've just been doing something really simple with my eyes, but I am going to go in with my newly purchased Dominique Latte eyeshadow palette. I love the colors in here, and I think I'm going to go in with a couple just warm brown colors to really bring out the glow in my skin and the bronzed look. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this banana shade right here. I'm going to go in with this very, very orange brown color. I found that I've just been wearing this color a lot lately, and I really like it. I'm being really messy and not shy with this color because I just want a really, really diffused look. I'm just not being very precise with this eyeshadow because I just want it to be really blended and everywhere on my lid. All right, now that it looks very messy and crazy, I'm gonna go in with a Supernova eyeshadow. I just like to put this on top of the eyeshadow because it just brings out crazy glitter, and I love this Supernova eyeshadow. This is by Kathleen Lights, I think. Yep, this is one by Kathleen Lights. Back into this palette, I'm going in with this shade right here, and I want to just get it right where the light is going to catch on my lid. And that Supernova eyeshadow just acts as a base for this, but some of that glitter still shows through, and I like this combo. Just want that placement to be very precise. And then I'm going to drag it a little bit into my inner corner. Gonna do my eyelashes really quick. I'm going in with my Colourpop mascara. So I've been using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Lash Primer, but I don't think that I've quite figured out how to use it yet, so I'm not using it in this video because I don't want to use it until I feel like I've actually figured out how to use it. But I'll definitely keep working with it. It just, like, it makes my lashes voluminous, yes, but it doesn't hold the curl, so I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. I still don't like using this mascara on my bottom lash line, so I always use my Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is just like a sample size, but it works perfectly on my lower lash line, so it's what I turn to put on my lower lash line. I went in with this Urban Decay eyeliner in Demolition and lined my waterline. It's hard to film that, so just letting you know. All right, I'm going to set everything with my Farsali 24K Gold Skin Mist. I have been using this to prep my makeup, but I haven't really tried it to set my makeup, so I just want to see if there's a difference. I mean, obviously there will be, but I just want to see how it turns out. Next, I'm going to go in with this lip gloss really quick before I start applying the body highlight. This is Brown Sugar by Colourpop. That's perfect. With all the peach shades and undertones in this, it literally pulls this look together. I love it. All right, next I'm gonna go in and put this body highlighter all over my shoulders so that you can see what it looks like. And it smells so good. It's unreal. It smells very coconutty. Something like that, but it smells really good. Isn't that so pretty? This is more of an intense highlight. The Patrick Ta body highlighter is definitely more of a natural soft oil. This, I would say, is more of like this is a liquid highlighter. It's more intense and it's more noticeable. So yeah, that is how I've been wearing this highlighter and how I've been applying it. I've just found that this brush has worked out really well for me. I do have to be careful when applying this to my face, otherwise it will get too metallic and kind of patchy with this brush. But as far as applying it all over my body, I find that it works perfectly. I think I just need to use it more. Oops, I always bump this flower. It's gonna dry down really fast on your face, so as soon as you put it on, make sure you blend it out really quickly. And only do a little bit at a time. You do not need a lot on your face in order to get this glow. Like, you just need a little bit, one little dot on each side of your face, and you should be good. So yeah, that's how I've been applying this highlighter. I love this glow. Maybe in the summertime I can get the darker shade and see how that applies, but as far as this shade is concerned, I really like it, and it's working really well on my light pale skin because I have no tan. But anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you an idea of how I actually use this highlighter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.